With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Our question is graph shows a hypothetical speed distribution for a sample of n gas particles for v greater than v naught and dn over dv is equal to 0. This is our graph and these are our options A, B, C and D. We will check this option one by one as our solution begins. To solve this question, first we need to find out equation of the straight line. Equation of straight line is y is equal to mx plus c, where y is dn over dv and x is equal to v, where m is the slope of straight line. Formula of m is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. To find out values of y2, y1, x2 and x1, we will check these points. This point is b naught, comma a, and this point is 0, comma 0. By putting these values in equation of m, we will get m is equal to a over b naught, where c is the intersection with x-axis. In this graph, c is equal to 0. By putting these values in this equation, we will get dn over dv is equal to a b naught dv. Sorry, b. This is our equation number 1. This is first order differential equation. To solve first order differential equation, we will do dn over dv a b naught b dv, integrating both sides by putting values of upper and lower limit. This is our equation number 2. By solving this equation, we will get 2n is equal to a b naught. This is our option number 3. So A option is correct. Now we will check our B option is correct or not. To find out option B is correct or not, first we will write formula of B average. B average is equal to 1 over n integration from 0 to B naught B n function of B dV, where nv is dn over dv. So we will get B average is equal to 1 over n integration 0 to v naught. From equation number 1, we will get dn over dv is equal to a over v naught v dv. By solving this equation, we will get v average is equal to 2 over 3 v naught. So option number B is also correct. Now we will check option C is correct or not. For this option, we will write VRMS. Formula of VRMS is 1 over n integration from 0 to v naught v square nv dv whole square. Solving this equation, we get VRMS is equal to 1 over root 2 v naught. So option number C is also correct. Now we will check D option is correct or incorrect. As it is given in the option, our upper and lower limits of V naught, V is 0.5, V naught and V. By putting these values in second equation, we will get dn integration from 0 to n1 equal to a V naught 0.5 V naught V naught V dv. By this we get n1 is equal to a V naught V square over upper limit is V naught, lower limit is 0.5 V naught. We will get n1 is equal to a V naught V naught square minus V naught square over 4. We will take 2 outside and we will get n1 is equal to a over 2 V naught over 4. We will get now n1 is equal to a V naught over 8. As we know that a over a V naught is 2, and by putting this value in this equation we will get n1 is equal to 2n over 8, and we will get n is equal to 4 and 1. So our D option is also correct. So our correct options are A, B, C and D. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.